Alright, jockstraps and sideliners. I'm Yannick and you're not. Today's adventure comes to you straight from the grounds of sweaty ambition, the RSV training field, where dreams are chased and ankles are sprained. My flow was decent, moves were moderately spicy. At one point I think I even impressed the birds, but fuck you, we are the birds now. Freestyle here feels like doing yoga in a wind tunnel, but hey, I made it work until I didn't. We end this video soon without a surprise. It's more of a scheduled event. Yeah, if you blinked, you still saw it coming. And that's what we call closure analog style. Anywho, keep your goggles tight and your expectations loose. Goodbye.